Hey everybody, I am so excited to be sharing all of these ATC cards with you. This was a swap with my channel members, so it's exclusive swap with them, and with some of them I should say, not all of them are in the Facebook group, but I am so excited to share them with you. And if you are interested in becoming a channel member, the link is in the description box down below. And I just really quick, I want to let you guys know, if you haven't heard or seen, I have a new workshop and it is available over on my website, tiffanysolorio.com. It is 4 different workshops, 4 different projects, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And if you are a channel member, tier 3, you will get $5 off of the workshop price. So with that out of the way, I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my channel members, even the ones that did not join the ATC swap and are kind of, I guess, lurker is kind of a like a creepy word, but the ones that are kind of just in the background, just supporting, I do appreciate everybody. And I am so grateful for all of you guys. And I had a lot of fun creating these ATC cards, and we will definitely be doing more exclusive swaps within the group. And let's see, I will have most of these ladies have Instagram and YouTube or one of the other, and I will have them listed down below. So go show some love to them. I do want to be sure to let them know that they are appreciated and just give them a little shout out. So let's start with Jessica Larios. She is Matter of Crafts on YouTube and on Instagram. She created this gorgeous purple ATC card. It says, "Be kind." Oops. Oh, come on. There we go. Super pretty. Okay, and this one is Shannon Hellwig, and you can find her by her name on Instagram and YouTube as well. So this one is so gorgeous. The little house, chipboard piece, and then some modeling paste back there, little Prima flower. Super cute. Some stamping. Love it. This one is mine, and I do have a video on this if you want to check it out. I will have it linked in the upper right hand corner for you guys if you haven't seen it yet. Mine looks so plain and simple compared to everybody's. All right, this one is Dana Driscoll, and I believe she goes by that on Instagram. I don't believe she has a YouTube channel. But let me show you guys up close. She did some beeswax techniques on here, lots of different layers with that. Really fun. All right, this one is Ruby Stone. She does not have a Instagram or YouTube channel. This one is super pretty and super shimmery, and that stamp is just so cute. Love it. All right, this one is Nicole Palos. She does have an Instagram, not a YouTube channel, but if we bug her enough, maybe she'll start one. All right, this is super grungy and tons of texture. I love it. So really fun. This is actually recycled from a paint chip thing, majigger. I don't know what they're called. You know, the paint swatch things that you get. You can figure out which color you want. All right, this one is from Desiree Marino. I know I'm not saying your name right, and I do apologize. I don't recall if she has a YouTube channel. I believe she does have an Instagram. So make sure to check her out. I love all of this going on here. Lots of different layers of colors and splatters and And you got the embossing, so pretty. And then this one is from Michelle Rowe. I believe she has Instagram. This one has so much going on. Let's see, there we go. Super pretty. And this one is from Terry Franklin. She goes by Dream Woods Butterfly on Instagram. Super pretty. She did some ink blending with distress oxides and then stamped this and embossed it with black embossing powder. Super gorgeous. So pretty. And this one is from Kelly Freeman. I don't think she has an Instagram or a YouTube channel. This one, she stitched this leaf die. Whoops, there we go. Super fun with the cardboard and the glitter and the fall colors. Love it. So that is my ATCs. I cannot wait to put them up on my shelf. And now here we have Abby. So I am going to be listing my channel members, giving them a shout out at the end of the video. And I do appreciate everybody, even if you are not a channel member. If you watch, share, like, comment, any sort of interaction with my channel or my videos, I really appreciate, right, Abby? Yeah.
Hi.
All right, I do want to thank you guys so much. And again, if you are interested in becoming a channel member, it is listed down below. And I want to thank you guys for always supporting me, and I truly appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.